Printer driver error. How to fix this problem? We will know that in this video step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7 and other software. So let's start the video. So guys, click here start button and after that click here setting and click here update and security option. After that guys, click here troubleshoot option and click here additional troubleshooter option. Now find here printer and click here this printer, run the troubleshooter. So guys, select here your printer here under this list. So this is our printer. Click here next, apply this fix, click here. Now close this window, click here start button and click here run option and type here services.msc and after that guys, click here OK button and find here a service print spooler. Okay, right click on it, this service, click here properties and select here automatic. If there are manual, select here automatic and click here apply and then click here OK button. Now guys, restart this service, click here restart. So this is your service are running. Close this window. Now we are going for third method. Click here Windows Explorer and click here this PC and right click on it. Click here manage option. After that guys, find here device manager option, click on it and click here printer and expand it and right click on it and guys, click here update driver and click here enable device and enable this service if these are disabled. Right click on it and click here update driver and select here search automatic option. Close this window. Now again right click on it and click here update driver and click here this second option, browse my computer, let me pick, click here. Now select your printer and click here next. Now close this dialog. Okay, now again you can see here HP laser jet. Now click on it and click here enable this printer, update here this, browse my computer, let me pick, select here local printer queue, click here next and close this dialog. Now guys, click here close button. Now we are going for next method. Click here start button, click here setting option. Now guys, click here devices option and click here printer and scanner and you can see here there are no error message. Okay, your problem is fixed here and click here Windows Explorer, click here this PC, right click on it and click here manage option, this manage option and click here device manager and after that guys, click here printer, click here this printer, right click on it and click here uninstall device, uninstall this driver. You can see here there are no printer option. Now click here action and click here scan for hardware changes option. So guys, you can see here your printer driver get reinstalled here. Now close this window. Now click here start and restart your PC. So guys, if your problem is not fixed, please launch any browser, and after that type here download HP driver, HP printer driver. This is 1020 our printer module number. Okay, find your printer module number, click here run, and click here control, click here to device and printer, and this is your printer, and 1020 your printer module number here. Now we type here this and click here this first link. After that guys, scroll down and check your operating system. So we are using Windows 10, select here Windows 10 and select version of this OS and click here. Okay, and after that guys, scroll down and download this driver. Click here download. So we have already downloaded it. Go under download folder and right click on this driver and click here run as administrator and install this driver. And after that guys, after install this driver, check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. So guys, if your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos.